The story of the F-47 NGAD fighter jet is one of ambition, innovation, and honestly, a fair bit of geopolitical intrigue. It's a tale that intertwines cutting-edge technology with the complexities of global power dynamics, where rare earth elements play a pivotal role in shaping the future of defense. This script delves deep into the narrative, exploring how China's strategic dominance over rare earths has impacted America's most ambitious fighter jet program, and what it means for the broader geopolitical landscape. The F-47 NGAD fighter jet represents the pinnacle of aerospace engineering, a sixth-generation aircraft designed to, well, totally redefine air combat. With advanced stealth capabilities, AI-driven avionics, and the ability to command drone swarms, the F-47 is not just a fighter jet, it's a symbol of technological supremacy. For Donald Trump, this program was more than a defense initiative. It was a legacy project, a testament to America's ability to innovate and lead in the face of global competition. Rare earth elements are the unsung heroes of modern technology. These 17 minerals are absolutely essential for manufacturing high-performance electronics, alloys, and magnet systems. In the context of aerospace, they are indispensable for stealth coatings, precision-guided systems, and advanced propulsion technologies. Without rare earths, the F-47's groundbreaking features would, honestly, remain purely theoretical. China's dominance in the rare earth market is no accident. Over decades, Beijing strategically positioned itself as the global leader in rare earth production, refining, and processing. By 2025, China controlled approximately 90% of the world's rare earth supply, a monopoly that has profound implications for industries ranging from defense to renewable energy. This dominance is not just economic, it's a strategic tool that Beijing has wielded with precision. The US-China trade wars of the early 2020s set the stage for a rare earth showdown. As Washington imposed tariffs on Chinese goods, Beijing responded with export restrictions on rare earths. These restrictions targeted critical materials used in avionics and other advanced systems, directly impacting the F-47 program. The timing was deliberate. Just weeks after Trump announced Boeing's contract to develop the F-47, China tightened its grip on rare earth exports, sending shockwaves through the U.S. aerospace industry. The consequences were immediate and severe. Fighter jet manufacturers faced skyrocketing costs and delays as they scrambled to find alternative suppliers. The F-47 program, already ambitious in scope, became a logistical nightmare. Trump's frustration was palpable, as he publicly criticized the reliance on Chinese materials and called for urgent action to address the supply chain vulnerabilities. Meanwhile, China was advancing its own sixth-generation fighter jet program. The J-20, already operational, was being upgraded with new technologies, while rumors of the J-36 began to surface. These developments underscored Beijing's strategic intent, not just to compete with the US, but to potentially surpass it in aerial dominance. The rare earth restrictions were not just economic retaliation, they were part of a broader strategy to weaken America's defense capabilities while bolstering China's own. The rare earth crisis highlighted a critical vulnerability in U.S. national security. A Senate hearing in early 2025 revealed the extent of America's dependence on Chinese materials, with experts warning that other defense systems, including satellites and naval propulsion, could face similar disruptions. Legislation was proposed to boost domestic rare earth production, but the challenges were immense. Mining and refining rare earths require significant investment and time, years not months, to develop infrastructure and expertise. Allied nations stepped in to fill the gap. Australia and Canada, both rich in rare earth reserves, offered support, but their capabilities were limited compared to China's. The Biden administration intensified efforts to build partnerships and diversify supply chains, but the process was slow and fraught with challenges. The rare earth monopoly was not just a U.S. problem, it was a global issue that required collective action. The Asia-Pacific region became a focal point in this geopolitical struggle. Tensions over Taiwan and the South China Sea added layers of complexity to the rare earth standoff. The United States military's reliance on advanced systems in the region made it vulnerable to supply chain disruptions, while China leveraged its position to assert dominance. The rare earth crisis was reshaping the strategic landscape, with implications far beyond fighter jets. Innovation became the silver lining in this crisis. American engineers and scientists worked tirelessly to develop alternative materials and technologies to reduce dependence on rare earths. Research into synthetic substitutes and recycling methods gained momentum, offering hope for long-term solutions. The rare earth challenge, while daunting, spurred creativity and resilience in the face of adversity. The F-47 NGAD program encapsulates the intersection of technology, resources, and geopolitics. It's a story that underscores the importance of supply chain security in an interconnected world. As China continues to wield its rare earth dominance, the United States faces hard questions about its preparedness for 21st century competition. The rare earth saga is not just about fighter jets, it's about the future of global power dynamics. As we conclude this narrative, we're left with a compelling question. Can America overcome its rare earth dependency and reclaim its edge in defense innovation? Or has China already shifted the balance of power in its favor? The answers will shape the next chapter in this unfolding saga, offering lessons not just for defense but for the broader geopolitical landscape. So stay tuned as the story evolves, revealing the complexities of a world defined by strategic resources and technological ambition.